the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. Anytime we hear that today, we think it's a reference for Jesus, which I actually believe it still is a reference for Jesus, maybe the best reference, because he wasn't the first King of Kings, Lord of Lords, but he is the last King of Kings and Lord of Lords. So what we don't understand, if you don't look into Scripture, if you don't understand history, is that Jesus was, or the people that were surrounding Jesus were just using terms that the modern day people already understood. And they wanted to make a political statement. They wanted to say that Jesus is elevated above the Caesar. So what happened? What did Persia do? What did the Babylonian countries do? What did Egypt do? Definitely what did Rome do, or what did Greece do? What Rome did is they would go in and they would take over a country. They would take over the Jewish people, and they would leave the king of the Jews in place. But now all the Jewish people had to pay us money. They had to do things the way that we wanted them to do as Rome. Persia did somewhat the same thing. Babylonians did somewhat the same thing as they went along. You can still worship your own gods is what Rome tells you, but you have to also worship me as Caesar, and you have to give us money. So when Jesus started being called the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords, it was very much a political statement. It was very much saying that we believe that Jesus, God incarnate, the one who come down and put on flesh so that he could live among you and me, is actually the king above even the Caesars. So this was something that was just very much caused issues in the world of that day. So I hope that this helps you understand your Scripture a little bit more. I hope this helps you understand the Christian faith a little bit more. If you are liking these videos, if this is helping you grow your faith a little bit, make sure you like and subscribe. If you have any questions that you'd like some answers to, without trying to be funny or without trying to just cause a fight, like some people are trying to do, make sure to put those down in the bottom in the comments. I would love to try answering some questions that would help you grow your faith. If you are looking for a church and you're in the Triad in Greensboro, North Carolina, you come visit me at Catalyst Church on Sunday mornings at 10 a.m. and I'll save you a seat.